on, this is Black Up here. Today I will be showing you guys how to remove the background of an image in Photoshop. This is Photoshop CC18. So as you can see, I'm using the magic eraser tool and I've just removed the background. With some images it might not be this easy because there'll be white parts in between the image, but in that case use the magic wand and do what you do to remove it. I might bring out a tutorial on that if needed. But in this video I'm showing you guys how to remove the background and then save the image so that next time if you want to use the image again on another image it's so much easier because you can just open it straight away, you can just drag it on the image really quickly, easy. As you can see, this is an example of what's happening. So now I've got a red background, I've moved it across and it easily went across and no white patches in the background. That is it. And now we're going to show you how to save it. So if you go to File, well first of all of course delete that background but you follow on it. So you go File, Export, do it as a website one. Make sure that it's transparent, put it on PNG 24, then you press Save. And then you save it in whatever folder you can save it in. For me, I'm saving it inside my Clash Royale 2 Heroes folder because it's a Clash Royale 2 Hero. As you can see now I've saved it. And now I'm going to show you guys how it works. If you just go New, then you create yourself a back. Well actually I'm going to delete this image. So you just open it in Photoshop, you want to open up your image. Delete your old one first so you don't get confused. Press the image, and there you go, straight away ready to drag. You can drag it wherever you want. Hope you guys enjoyed and I hope that this was very helpful to you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, peace out.
I think the girls with their nails done now.